As we age, maintaining mobility and flexibility becomes increasingly vital for overall health and well-being. It allows seniors to enjoy daily activities, promotes independence, and reduces the risk of falls. Understanding a few essential strategies can help in enhancing these important attributes effectively. One of the foundational steps to improve mobility and flexibility is through gentle stretching exercises. Simple stretches for major muscle groups, particularly the legs, back, and shoulders, can enhance flexibility and relieve muscle tension. These stretches should be performed slowly, ideally holding each position for 15 to 30 seconds. Incorporating sessions of stretching into daily routines helps keep muscles engaged and pliable, providing long-term benefits against stiffness. Low-impact activities play a significant role as well. Engaging in regular walks or cycling not only aids in enhancing mobility but also strengthens the cardiovascular system. Water aerobics is another excellent option, providing resistance while being gentle on the joints. The buoyancy of water supports the body, allowing seniors to engage in more extensive movements without strain, making it a perfect setting for mobility improvement. In addition to stretching and low-impact exercises, balance training is crucial for enhancing mobility. Simple exercises like standing on one foot or heel-to-toe walking are effective ways to improve stability. Practicing these movements regularly can help in building confidence and reducing the likelihood of falls, thus promoting a more active lifestyle. Incorporating these exercises into a routine, ideally 3 to 5 times a week, can create significant improvements over time. It's essential to start slowly, listening to the body and making adjustments to avoid strain. Combining mobility-focused routines with strength training, focusing on core and leg muscles, can further enhance stability and flexibility, allowing seniors to feel more secure in their movements. Lastly, creating a supportive environment plays a crucial role as well. Removing obstacles at home, using supportive shoes, and considering mobility aids such as canes or walkers can assist in improving confidence while increasing the ability to move freely. Engaging family members or friends in these activities often adds a layer of fun and accountability, making commitment to a mobility improvement plan easier. By embracing these strategies, seniors can look forward to a more flexible, active, and vibrant life.